Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back again to you guys. As you see here, what happened, the daily candle, it's finished like that, as you see it here. So that candle, how it's finished today, is the same thing as I tell it to you every time. It needs to come back 50% of the previous candle, that red one. I think now it's going to fall down again, but let's wait in the coming days if we are true or we are not, because that thing it happened next to me thousands of times. If I don't say it more than thousands of times, I'm going to show it to you how we do it. You just bring in here that candle here, that one, 50% of that candle, that red one here. Also, we use that trading strategy in the forex a lot when it happened news. It came back 50% for it, then it's going to come back down to close it down here, and also we enter short in that. I think now it's going to do the same thing, but another thing here, sorry, let me show it to you. Here in the volume, what it indicating today, if you see here, the volume it's spiking, but it doesn't spike like the red one. So we need to make a close eye the coming days what the market going to do, because here also we still have that level here, the one, and the market couldn't break it, because let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you more. Also we have here that level here, that one, the previous low, that one when it's being broken. What happened to it? We'll break it. Well, that big red candle. Then the market it go back next to it here, but it couldn't even break up. Oh, how? Let me show it to you. If you see here that green candle of today, how it came, there is a big portion from up to down. So we haven't break it that level. So I think we are going to fall down again. But let's wait in the coming days what it's going to tell us, guys. Everything is too clear here. And here I show it to you before. I show you before. Also, we go here a channel like that. Falling channel, let's make it like that, and here down the lower of it like that. So now I think it's going to go back to touch the upper of that channel here, then after that it's going to fall down again. But that just analysis, technical analysis, because here as I show you before, also here we got a very stronger level here, a very stronger supply and demand zone here, and now we are in it, and the market is showing here a rejection, but it's not that big to indicate the market is going to reverse. So let's wait in the coming days what is going to tell us, guys. And tomorrow there's a major news coming. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicators what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. The one as you see it here, what me done to it. If you see here, I add to it that zone here, that smaller zone here, I will add that here. And here it's showing to us, like he gave us here a W, as you see it. But the W is not that stronger, let's make it like that. Because as I told you in the previous video, if it go back inside the trend line, that means the trend line is a stronger trend line. That one also we drawing together before. By the way, for people who just came, also we came from that zone here to that one here, and we're drawing a trend line. Now here it's showing a big rejection in it here as you see it, and here let me show you something else. Here that zone me a draw here is at 35 here, that one as you see it, it's being rejected from it the price sometimes as you see it here, even last time here, even last time here, and now we go back to it. Let's see now the market if it's going to break for us that zone here or no. If it's not, that man is going to fall down, that just because people they buying from that zone here. Sorry, let me show it to you because I know I'm talking, but picture is not clear to you. I'm talking about that zone here. Now the market is going to go back, but let's wait if it's going to break for us here or no. If it doesn't break it, that man is going to fall down again till the oversold area, and that one is going to be the best scenario. No one wanted. Also, we wanted just from here to go back up and to break for us that long-term trend, that one also we have in the top. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, are you not subscriber yet? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel all about trading and investing. So we put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every week one video analyzing for you the forex market, guys. So make sure to subscribe if you want to benefit from all our analysis free. You don't need to pay nothing. Everything is free here. You done it? Or you can join us in our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. In Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here if you want. So now let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one as you see it, it's still here at the oversold area. And another thing here as you see it, what me I tell it to you before, and I've been telling you all the time that it hasn't become red yet like how it used to be here in that zone. And me I tell you, I think it's going to fall down till here. That's my view to it. Maybe it's going to fall down more till here for us to buy. So make a close eye at those things, guys. Till now, there is no buying yet. If you are an investor, you just DCA. You are not in big problems. But here also we have here that zone. Let's wait in if it's going to give us a W from here. And that level is going to be just an accumulation level here. That one. Me, I'm talking about that one here. If it give us here now a W like that, a double bottom like that, is going to be the best scenario happening to the Bitcoin, guys. So let's wait in. If it's breaking for us just here, we are going to go tail up here. Remember my word. Everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there in the 4 hours for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. And here in the 4 hours, what else we said before? We said the market here. It give us here like a small channel like that, as you see it. It's very clear here in the 4 hours. And told you here, it touched the lower of it. And now it's going back upward to touch the upper of it here. Let me show it to you in my chart, because in my chart I got it more clear than here. As you see it here in my chart, let me show it to you like that. As you see it now, that the upper of the channel and that the lower of it here. Now, let's see in that zone here if it's going to hold for us or no. If we are going to break it and we're going upward here to touch the upper of that channel, that is going to be the best scenario. That man here, that accumulation level we used to have here, that one, as me I tell it to you, I told you after the 5th time it's been broken. So that one is just a very well-known pattern in the Wyckoff trading. It's always make a fake breakout like that, then it's going to go back upward and to break the right time upward. But let's wait in now the coming days what is going to bring for us. If we are going to go back to that zone here, me I'm talking about, if we go back here inside that zone, 100% the market is going to go upward, guys. So make a close eye at those things. But now also we're still in a downtrend, unless if it's breaking for us the 200 moving average, then also we're going to be sure the market is going to go up. So make a close eye at those things. If you are a positional trader and a swing trader, you wait in the trend line here, that one, to be broken. When it's going to be broken, you go in high. Take profit of you is need to be here at the 200 moving average me I'm talking about. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our indicator, what they saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our indicator as you see it, and also we making the last video when we are here. I tell you, maybe it's going to fall down to touch that divergence trend line, or maybe from here it's going to go upward. As you see it now, also we are near to the upper trend line, that one. We zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, like that. As you see it is near to that upper trend line here. So here in our indicator, the market it go back to that zone. May I tell it to you before? That one. As you see it here in our indicator. So now it need to come and to break for us that middle level here I'm talking about, that one. One is going to break it for us. Also we're going to be sure the market it changes direction and it need to come upward here. So I tell you before, I tell you down here, you still in the control of the bears, and here the bulls were controlling. Till now there is only the bears who controlling the market. There is no bulls now in the market, only the bears who controlling the market now. So if we stay here even 1 year, only the bears were controlling the market, and the market is going to fall down more and more. So make a close eye those things me I'm telling you, guys. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you see it, guys, here it's still in his place. There is nothing was changed. It's still right here, and there is no price action or no pattern given us here. Also, we need to enter long, unless if the best scenario will happen, the market will come and to break for us that high here. At the time, also we need to make sure the market is going to go higher. Till now there is nothing confirmed. Also, we're still in a downtrend. Yes, here the volume it's spiking green as you see it, but as you see, it was still bigger as the red ones. Not like greens. Yes, there is big buying here happening in those 4 hours, and the 3 soldiers, by the way, that very well known pattern is named 3 soldiers. 3 green candles, they came after each one. So that very well known pattern. So you need to wait in the next candle how it's going to indicate to you. If it came green, that man is going to go upward. And as I tell it to you, if the market break for us, that zone here is going to be the best scenario, guys. Everything is too clear here. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, something very important happening here. If you remember what me I told you before, I told you we have here a head and shoulder, a small head and shoulder here as you see it. It's breaking for us and it's give you the target exactly. By the way, I give you that signal in the last video. Now what the market showing you there, here, the market here is showing a reverse. and also we're still down in the 200 moving average. So you need to make a close eye at that level, guys, because it might from that level here we're going to fall down again. So make a close eye at it. By the way, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. Also every day we put in 2 videos, guys. We're analyzing for you the Bitcoin and we give you highly in-depth analysis, not like fibs or something. We give you very highly in-depth analysis. So make a close eye at those things. Everything is too clear here in 30 minutes, my friend. Let's see our indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, is telling you something different here. If you see it here with me, what our indicator telling you here? It's telling you also we are at the overbought area, guys. By the way, to get that indicator is very simple. There is one video here in our channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to it. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. Just download it. And even in that video, we show you how to install it. Go and done it, guys. So as I tell it to you here, that one here, it show you we are at the overbought area. So here, I think from here, we are going to fall down again, guys. So make a close eye at those things. So everything is too clear. That's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.